Well, right now I'm really excited because I'm about to check out and paint this room in Dulux Colour of the Year 2023. Hey, what's up guys? Yes, it's your main man JB, and I'm about to paint this room in this brand new Dulux colour. Yes, it's the Colour of the Year for 2023. It's their 20th anniversary of celebrating the Colour of the Year, so this is their 20th colour that they've brought out, and I'm really lucky and privileged because I'm going to be opening it up, sharing it with you, and also putting it on these walls. And just so you know, this video is sponsored by Dulux. So I'm going to keep you waiting no longer. Let's crack this open and check it out. Now, Dulux Colour of the Year for 2023 is called Wild Wonder. And just check it out for yourself. Look at that. That is lovely. That's going to look amazing on the walls. Now, this colour is actually inspired by the beauty of nature, just like the warm tones of harvested crops. There we go, look at that. Beautiful. Now, as usual, you can get this mixed in any paint finish, but as you can see, this is going on the walls, and I've also had it mixed in this heritage paint, and this is absolutely lovely paint, velvet matte. Gives you a very, very smooth finish. So I'm really excited about putting this on the wall. Here we go. That colour's going to look really nice. Now I've got a little bit of cutting in to do. I've got quite a few plugs and sockets, so I'm going to get that done, and then we can start getting it on the wall and see what it looks like. Now you'll notice that the ceiling isn't painted white, it is painted in one of the colours that complement Wild Wonder. And it's just one of the colours out of 4 colour palettes that the Dulux colour experts have created in order to give people and decorators and interior designers the flexibility and to be adventurous with the different colours that they choose. Now, this is the first time that I've personally painted a ceiling that isn't white. You know, it's conventional to go with white, but nowadays, and as trends go, a lot more people are painting their ceilings in a completely different colour, but also sometimes the same colour as the walls. So there's lots of different ways that you can do it and paint it, and different colours. Now all the cutting in is done, so I'm now going to get the roller on the wall. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yes, check it out. Interestingly, this is the first year of the 20 years that Dulux have been coming up with Colour of the Year, that they've actually been inspired by nature. There you go. So that's the first coat done, and that looks absolutely fantastic. I'm really happy with that. So I'm going to let that dry for a few hours, and I'm going to come in, get that second coat on. So I've got World Wonder on the walls, and I've got Spun Mohair on the ceiling, and these are the two colours in one of the palettes. Actually the Lush palette, which I've said already is one of 4 palettes available. So you have the Lush palette, the Buzz palette, the Raw palette and the Flow palette. If you wanted to, you could put this paint colour on the ceiling. There's absolutely no reason why not. You could have the walls and the ceiling done. I think that would look really nice. That would look really warm. And that's one of the reasons why I didn't want to go with a white ceiling. I wanted to just bring the tone down a little bit and keep it a little bit warmer. But those two colours go really well. And you can really mix and match with the colours. So you could put this on woodwork and on doors. You could have absolutely everything covered in it if you wanted to, or you can mix and match with each different palette. It's entirely up to you. But I think personally this colour gives this room a really warm feel, and I'm really looking forward to getting the bed in here, and eventually I'll get it carpeted as well, which is also going to be a natural colour. So yeah, really excited, and it's going to look absolutely fantastic in here. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this paint colour. So you know what to do, just put those in the comments box down below. Right then, it's time to get this lot cleared up and on to the next job. So I'll see you lot on the next video.